So today, guys, we are making some ziti pasta. So this is, I have a pack of ground beef. My pot is already going, heating up. So what I'm gonna do at this point, I'm just gonna pour my meat into the pot that is already heated. I'm gonna just turn down my flame to medium, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pour your meat in the pot. We're gonna brown that up. We're gonna allow this to brown up a little. So we're just gonna go for it. And cook our meat a little. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna also put some of my all-purpose dip, season it up a little. Just a little, maybe a teaspoon. Also, teaspoon of salt. And we're just gonna go ahead and stir it around to infuse the seasoning. You want to give it some taste, guys. This is the ground beef. You can put whatever seasoning you want to put in it. Season to your liking, guys. So we're just gonna go ahead and allow that to brown up. I also have my pasta sauce here. This is my pack of ziti. And I have 2 packs of shredded cheese. I have the sharp cheddar, and I also have the blended one. I have, this one has some mozzarella and all of that. Blended cheddar cheese, mozzarella, jack cheese, and taco seasoning. So that's my cheese. I also have my water going here for to boil my pasta noodle. As you can see, it's over there in the corner. I'm just waiting for it to start boiling so I can pour my noodles. So we have to allow this to cook a little, guys. So my water is boiling, and I'm gonna go ahead and pour my penne pasta in. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put some salt, because we have to season our pasta noodles. So we're gonna go in with about a teaspoon and a half of salt. My meat is also browning up nicely. So we're going to go ahead and stir our noodle, or pasta noodles, and allow it to boil until cooked. We're also going to go ahead and stir our minced meat or chopped meat. Some people say minced meat, some people say chopped meat. And it's cooking nicely. So let's give it another 2 or 3 minutes, and we're just gonna allow our noodle to boil, our pasta noodle. So at this point my milk is all fried up and have the color that I am looking for. So I'm gonna go ahead and just turn off the flame. It's cooked at this point. So now we are waiting on our pasta noodle to cook. As soon as that is finished, then we are going to move on to the next process, where we're going to put in our pasta sauce and our cheese and all of those good things. So my noodle is cooked, so I'm going to go ahead and drain the water off at this point. So my noodle is cooked, and I'm gonna drain it off, and I'm gonna pour it in my big bowl here. So here we go. This is a lot of noodles, and I'm also going to pour my cooked mincemeat and the pasta. We can just incorporate in the pasta noodle with the meat at this point. So this is the meat that we cooked and browned up. Very tasty, because I seasoned with a little salt and a little all-purpose season. Looking good. So now I'm going to go ahead and pour my cheese. We'll be using 2 packs. So we're just going to go ahead and incorporate the cheese along with the rest of our ingredients. So here we go, guys. So let's get the other pack. I'm using 2 packs. If you want to use some more cheese, then by all means, go ahead. You see, we have a lot of cheese there. So let's just mix this around. To get everything all incorporated. So now I'm gonna go in with my pasta sauce. So we're just gonna pour. I have my oven going, it's heating up 450 degrees, and then we're just gonna pop this in there. I'm also gonna add a small amount of milk just to get it to be a little more creamy. So what I'm gonna do at this point, I'm just gonna get some water in the pasta jar so we can get everything out of the jar. So we just pretty much rinsing the jar out to get all the sauce out. You see, everything is out of the jar. So we're gonna continue incorporating all our ingredients. to get that nice even consistency. Here we go, guys. It's looking good already. So I'm just gonna pour a little milk in here. Get it going. A whole lot of pasta here, guys. So I have my baking pan here, guys. So what I'm gonna do at this point, I'm just gonna pour my pasta mix in my baking pan. So here we go, guys. A whole lot of pasta. So just pour it in your bake pan, your baking pan. And just spread it out. Just like that. We're gonna let this bake for an hour or so until our cheese is all melted. So I'm just gonna shake it around like that just to even it out. Okay, guys. I'm also going to sprinkle a little bit of my parsley flakes on top, like that. And we're gonna just stick it in the oven and allow it to do its thing. What I'm doing now, I'm just rinsing out my bowl here so that I can get all these, the remainder of the pasta mix. I'm just gonna just rinse it out and pour it in, guys. We don't want to waste nothing. There you have it, guys, all ready to be baked. So let's just set this over there, and I'm just gonna go ahead and shake it to even out once more. So at this point, I'm just gonna go ahead and stick it in the oven. My oven is already heated. On the top shelf. So I will see you in an hour. So guys, let's check on our pasta. Let's see if it's done. It should be done. Oh wow, look what we got here. Look what we got here. Look at it, guys. Look what we got here. Nice pan of pasta. So what I'm gonna do at this point, I'm gonna share you a plate. So let's do this. So you're just gonna go in and get your big bowl of pasta. Nice and creamy, very tasty. and looking good. If you are a pasta lover, then this is for you. We can't go wrong with a bowl of pasta. There you go, guys. Nice bowl of pasta. Go ahead and give you so look at it, guys. A nice plate of pasta. How beautiful is that? Just take a look. Just take a look at that. Just take a look. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share it, comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. I need your help. Bye for now, and thanks for staying with me. Bye-bye.